Johnson was a famous writer. His novels were very popular. His wife, Emily, passed away when their son Archie was just 6. It was a very hard time for Johnson. He had to take care of Archie, help with his studies, and keep writing. But he managed it all. Now Archie was preparing for his O-levels and dreamed of becoming a writer like his father. Soon, Archie completed his O-levels and got admitted to medical college on his father's wish. Life became very busy for him. One night, while sitting at his study table, a story idea struck him. He opened a notebook and began writing his novel. The next evening, after dinner, Johnson was cleaning the table. Archie took out 2 coffee mugs and began making the coffee.
Dad, I started my first novel last night.
Archie said with a smile. Johnson raised an eyebrow.
Oh? What's the story?
Archie grinned.
When it's published, you can read it.
Johnson laughed.
I can't wait, but remember, your studies come first.
Archie smiled.
Don't worry, Dad. I know.
He placed the coffee mugs on the table and sat down. The novel was almost complete when, one day, Johnson suddenly passed away from a heart attack. Archie was shattered.
How can Dad leave me alone?
He sobbed. Days passed. Finally, he finished his novel. He went to the publisher, who had published Johnson's books. In the office, he handed the manuscript to Mr. Daniel. Mr. Daniel read a few lines and smiled.
This will be the best novel ever. Your dad always wrote the best.
Archie was shocked. He couldn't say a word and quietly returned home. That night, he sat with his coffee mug, the warm steam rising. He smiled sadly.
Dad, Mr. Daniel thinks this is your novel. If I tell him, he wouldn't believe.
He sat quietly, lost in thought. Soon the novel Silent Promise was published. It became very popular. One day, Mr. Daniel came to Archie's house. He handed him a copy of Silent Promise with a smile.
The novel is becoming very popular.
He said.
Send me your account number. I'll transfer the royalty.
Then he left. Archie looked at the book and smiled sadly.
I won't write anymore.
One tear fell from his eye. Years passed. Archie completed his MBBS and started working at a reputed hospital. Later, he specialized in neurosurgery and became a famous doctor across the country. He married Emma, and now they had a son, Jack. Time passed. Jack completed his O-levels. He got a grades in all subjects. That night, during dinner, Emma asked,
So, Jack, what's your plan now?
Jack smiled.
I will get admitted to medical college. I want to become a doctor like Dad.
Archie's smile faded slightly. He took a sip of tea.
There are many fields for you, Jack. You can choose anything.
Jack shook his head with a smile.
No, Dad. I want to be a doctor. People praise you, and I like that.
Archie looked at him.
You should choose another field. Maybe engineering or something else.
Jack shook his head.
No, Dad. I want to become a doctor.
Archie said firmly.
No. I don't want that.
Jack suddenly stood up.
You know what, Dad? You won't like it if people praise me. I know your problem.
He walked to his room without another word. Emma looked shocked. Archie sighed and went after him. Jack was lying on the bed with his eyes closed. Archie sat beside him.
I once wanted to become a writer. Like my dad.
Archie said quietly.
I even wrote a novel. After my dad died, I took it to the publisher. He thought it was my dad's novel. I couldn't tell him the truth, and I never wrote again.
Jack slowly opened his eyes. Archie continued.
Now I'm afraid. The same thing might happen to you. People may compare you with me, and praise me. I don't want that to hurt you.
Jack sat up, shocked.
I'm sorry, Dad.
He hugged Archie tightly. Archie wiped his eyes and smiled.
I love you so much, Jack.
At the door, Emma smiled through tears. Moral: parents always want what's best for you.